All right, young minds. So just to be sure that you guys are clear on the expectations for this e-learning time period, I wanted to kind of go through it using this Screencastify situation to show you exactly what you're going to want to do. Okay. So for example, you're going to want to go to our homepage at Wade Hampton High School. Easiest thing to do. And you're going to want to go to this here directory and then social studies, which is the content that I teach. And then you're going to want to go down to where it's got my beautiful face. And you're going to hit visit website. When you click visit website, you'll see now that it's changed a little bit. We've got this e-learning logo going on for Greenville County. You've got my email that you have been emailing me on in general. CN as in Nicole, Mangle, MANGLE at greenville.k12.sc.us. That's the email that you're going to want to email me on if you need to get in contact with me. If you email me on the Google one, that doesn't get to me necessarily, okay? So if you want to share things with me on Google, then you use the Google one. But if we're not sharing and we're directly emailing Miss Mangle, you want to use this one. Also, you can give me a ring if you need to talk to me via the phone. Clank, clank, you know what I mean? And that's going to be 864-355-0157. Then if you want to have office hours or just get in touch with me, it'll be from 8:30 to 3:45. Please be patient with me. There might be several students who are trying to get in touch with me, and I will do that on a first come, first serve basis. Then you're going to have this link here that I'm going to come to in just a second that's going to tell you about the plan that we have put in place for the e-learning. And then if you want it printed, paper packets, those are available to you in the office. And then this here's a link to district information. Do you need a meal? If you are finding yourself and your family is finding itself in a tight spot as far as getting meals, breakfast and lunch specifically, then you can go to any of these schools. Our school happens to be one of them to get a meal, breakfast, and lunch. I also think that you can have bus drivers drop those off at your house. I think you just have to contact them. Again, I'm not sure on that one, but I will get more information and update that here. Anyways, next I want to click on this link. So this link is going to take us to this is a PowerPoint presentation that all the teachers will have available. I'm going to hit present and allow this to kind of click through this. This is my virtual office hours, the email, the phone number, all those things that I have already mentioned. The logos for what different things mean. Do you need Wi-Fi? Do you not need Wi-Fi? Are you going to be needing to text? A checklist at the end of each day to make sure that you've done the things that you need to do. Day one. So on day one, we had that video that I already have posted to you that are directions and just a welcome to e-learning kind of situation. Have you already watched that video? If you haven't, you can click this link. It'll take you to that video. Backpack, check your grades for this day one. And then after that, you are going to complete any missing work. If you don't know what missing work you have, again, you will text me on Remind or email me. Do you not have the Remind information? Well, for the CP classes, you click this one. And for the honors classes, you will click right here. So no excuses as to why we haven't done what we need to do. Then you'll come here at the checklist. Did you watch the video? Not this video, the previous video that welcomed you to the e-learning situation. And then Remind, have you messaged me on Remind to make sure that you don't have anything outstanding? Once you message me, I'll let you know, hey, you need to do this, or hey, you're good to go. And then you'll complete the assignments and then you'll submit them on Remind as well, taking a clear picture of those to make sure that I can see that, okay? Next, we have day two. So on day two, if you get to the point to where you are still working on missing assignments, and you won't even have to worry about this stuff on day two, you'll keep working on your missed assignments. If I have texted you back and say, you're good to go, then you are going to need to come here and you are going to need to watch one of these two videos, depending on if you're in the honors class or the CP class. And then you'll write 1 page of notes and you will submit that to me. If you write it in your composition book, you'll take a picture of it, send it to me on Remind. If you type it up, you will share it with me on Google Classroom and text me and let me know that you have shared that with me and I need to go check it, okay? Next checklist again to make sure that you did the things that you needed to do. And day three will not be until Tuesday of next week, which is a while from now. You will be doing these unit reviews for e-learning. And I'm going to go through and I'm going to show you what that looks like. So Unit 1, Part 1, okay, I'm going to go through it through the CP class, but honors class is the exact same thing. You'll just be in your honors class, Google Classroom, okay? So first thing is you'll go up here to classwork, click that. You'll come and scroll down and you will see where it says day 3 right here at the bottom, e-learning unit 1, part 1 review day. You'll click that and then you'll click that. And then here's the assignment. It has created one for each student, okay? And so you don't even have to worry about sharing it with me. It's already automatically shared with me. You will fill this in electronically and then you will turn it in and hit submit. That's it, just that one little thing for that day, okay? So I'm gonna exit out of here. I'm gonna now go up to day 4. It's the same exact thing. Well, it looks the same way, but it's not the same material. So this is the rest of those standards here, okay? And then I'm gonna go out, day 5, same thing, but it's unit 2. Again, you'll fill that in, okay? Day 6, same thing, unit 3, boom. Day 7, same thing, unit 4 though. Okay, looks like that. Dun, 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 dun. You'll fill it in, done. Day 8, different. Whoop, pause, okay? What you're gonna do is you're gonna click this here link right here. You're gonna scroll down. The directions right here tell you that you are supposed to decide on which article, okay, which video or which podcast. So you pick one, or sometimes you might have to pick multiple depending on if the video is short, okay? You will spend 45 minutes either reading, listening, or viewing something, okay? And in those 45 minutes, you're learning, okay? And so then after you get done watching or listening or reading for 45 minutes, you'll come back over here. Again, these have been developed for each student individually. You'll click that link and you'll do a write-up on what you watched, read, or listened to. So essentially it'll say this question here, I watched, read, or listened to, and you'll type in what that was. It was about, you'll tell us what it was about. I learned, what did you learn? I have questions about, you'll tell us the questions that still remain. And I would like to share, what are you willing to share with us from that learning, okay? So again, that is for day 8. The same thing is for day 9. It's just a different sheet, okay? It's the exact same stuff, but you get to pick a different video, a different article, or a different podcast to listen to, watch, or read. Okay, for day 9. And then day 10, you are going to take a quiz. Okay, so on day 10, when you take this quiz, you'll click the benchmark quiz. These are the questions. Okay, and then here is the form. So question number 1, okay, and question, so you'll go question number 1 right here. You'll decide is it A, B, C, or D. You'll come over here to the form. You'll click A, B, C, or D. When you get done with all 28 questions, all the way at the bottom, dun, 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 you'll hit submit. And that's it, okay? And it'll be attached to your name, okay? So make sure that you do that correctly. And that is all that I have planned for you for the e-learning for the next 10 days that we are going to be out of school. If you have, again, any questions, comments, concerns, feelings, or thoughts, okay? At the end of each of these days, okay, you have this option, okay, once we actually start doing our learning process. On day 3, you could come here and click this folder. And this folder has all the assignments already in there in case you want to get ahead. Here's that video that I talked about already that to make sure that you've watched it. Here's the Remind CP one that you can click and get the access, and the Remind for the honors. Make sure you get the right one. And this is that PowerPoint that we were looking at. So again, you can click that and get to the information early if you would like to. And again, this is all available to you on your Google Classroom. So you'll go into classwork and every single day, something will drop. So as you can see here, it's at 8:30 a.m. on different days. Each of these assignments will drop into your Google Classroom. Okay, so if you have any questions, again, don't forget to message me on Remind if you need me or email me. Bye.